Hello everyone! It is a truly wonderful day to welcome you back to QA Online Academy. I hope you're all ready to dive deep into your Python journey today. Before we begin, please ensure you've reviewed the previous material. Mastering strings is essential for everything we're about to cover in this session. In this lesson, we are exploring string methods. These built-in tools are the essence of text manipulation and analysis in Python automation. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. Note, all string methods return new values. They do not change the original string. Capitalize converts the first character to uppercase. Casefold converts string into lowercase. Center returns a centered string. Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Encode returns an encoded version of the string. Ends with returns true if the string ends with the specified value. Expand tabs sets the tab size of the string. We're off to a great start. Let's continue through the list to see even more ways to search and format our text data. Find searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Format formats specified values in a string. Format_map formats specified values in a string. Index searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Isalpha returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. Isalpha returns true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. Isdigit returns true if all characters in the string are ASCII characters. Isdecimal returns true if all characters in the string are decimals. Isdigit returns true if all characters in the string are digits. As you can see, Python provides many specialized methods for validation. Let's look at the remaining as methods and some formatting tools. Isidentifier returns true if the string is an identifier. Ilower returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase. Isnumeric returns true if all characters in the string are numeric. Isprintable returns true if all characters in the string are printable. Ispace returns true if all characters in the string are white spaces. Istitle returns true if the string follows the rules of a title. Isupper returns true if all characters in the string are uppercase. Join joins the elements of an iterable to the end of the string. Just returns a left justified version of the string. Lower converts a string into lowercase. Now let's explore methods for splitting, replacing, and justifying our text starting from the right side of the string. Strip returns a left trim version of the string. Maketrans returns a translation table to be used in translations. Partition returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. Replace returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified value. Refined searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Rendex searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Just returns a right justified version of the string. Repartition returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. Resplit splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Restrip returns a right trim version of the string. We are almost through our list. Let's wrap up with the final set of transformation and analysis methods. Split splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Splitlines splits the string at line breaks and returns a list. Starts with returns true if the string starts with a specified value. Strip returns a trimmed version of the string. Swap case swaps cases, lowercase becomes uppercase, and vice versa. Title converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Translate returns a translated string. Upper converts a string into uppercase. Fill fills the string with a specified number of 0 values at the beginning. Now it's your turn to put this into practice. Please open PyCharm on your computer right now and get ready for a coding exercise. Take this string. Sentence equals this is a messy sentence. First, swap the case of all letters. Second, remove all leading and trailing spaces. Finally, convert the entire result to lowercase. You have 10 seconds starting now. And here is the solution. By chaining swapcase, strip, and lower together, we clean and format the data perfectly in just one powerful line of code. You've done an incredible job mastering these 45 string methods. I'm so proud of your progress today. Happy coding! Our next chapter is titled Python Booleans, another critical block for your logic. Make sure to watch the next lesson. Until then, go back through our previous chapters and keep practicing at home in your free time. Repetition is key to mastery. Please join our community, subscribe to the channel, and leave your feedback below. Thank you for learning with us at QA Online Academy. See you soon.